Before we get into this crazy story, do me one favor. Hit that subscribe button. These videos take a ton of research, sourcing, and storytelling to bring you the full picture, and your support helps keep them coming.
The drugs were there. I did not put the narcotics there.
Jackson County, Florida. A deputy accused of planting drugs in innocent drivers' cars. Former Sheriff Deputy Wester is now at the center of a massive corruption scandal, charged with 67 counts of racketeering, fabricating evidence to false imprisonment, and possession of controlled substances. Prosecutors say Wester planted drugs in more than a dozen cars, turning routine traffic stops into fabricated crimes.
Appears to be an illegal narcotic. Do you know anything about that?
I do not.
Every driver denied owning the drugs found in their cars, yet most were still arrested on the spot.
You have the right to remain silent.
In 2018, after a flurry of innocent claims, Wester's superiors grew skepticism, and he was suspended after an internal investigation. Fast forward 3 years and he's in court, pleading not guilty to every charge.
This is a case about an abuse of an incredible power, about the abuse of the incredible trust that we all put, and we have to put, in law enforcement in a society.
And get this, the best evidence they had came from his own body cam. You can't make this up. Fresh out of jail, Stephen Van, a convicted felon, was stopped by Wester, who claimed to find meth inside his car.
Have you ever seen this before?
No. No, what is that?
I'm just trying to figure out how that stuff got in your car. You're going to go to jail today for possession of methamphetamine, okay?
Oh, man. Dude, I'm serious, dude. Anything. What you want me to do, man?
Like the others, Van let the deputy search his car. He figured, why not, knowing there was nothing to find.
And I knew my truck was clean. I knew it was.
The jury got to watch most of the traffic stops in question, but a few? Yeah, those mysteriously disappeared.
Why in the world would that have been deleted? I wish I knew that answer.
Remember how I told you his body cam was the prosecution's best weapon? Yeah, that was never more true than with Teresa Odom.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Right out of the gate, Wester's all smiles, polite, even cracking jokes.
Anything in the vehicle I need to be concerned about? Bombs, hand grenades,
Drugs,
rocket launchers? Okay.
Absolutely.
While Odom is instructed to head to the back of her vehicle, Wester begins his search he just received permission for. Now this right here, this is the part they kept playing over and over in court. The defense slowed it down, froze the frame, and pointed to something small in his left hand. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. The prosecution said that small object was a white substance, believed to be narcotics, that Wester claimed he found next to a spoon in Odom's pickup.
It's Odom.
It is yogurt, sir.
I know. Okay.
It's yogurt.
How about this, though?
That is not mine. No, sir.
Now, the white small plastic baggie that was in that spoon that the deputy just showed you on this video, had you ever seen that before?
No, sir.
Was that in your car?
No, sir.
As for motive, prosecutors said it wasn't some big conspiracy, just plain ambition. They claimed Wester had his eyes on the narcotics unit and was looking for a promotion. And even after all the testimony and body cam footage that wasn't destroyed, he denied it all. 5 days of testimony, witness after witness taking the stand, and now it's all in the jury. If they hit him with guilty on every single charge, that's it. Game over. He'll spend the rest of his life in prison. The courtroom's dead quiet. 7 long hours crawl by. Then finally the jury files back in with their verdict.
In the state of Florida versus Zachary Tyler Wester, we, the jury, find as follows as to the counts charged in the information. Count 1, guilty of racketeering as charged.
Then came the moment. The jury began reading verdicts for all 67 charges, one by one.
Count 7, guilty of official misconduct as charged.
When the dust settled, only 19 of the 67 charges stuck. The rest fell away for lack of evidence.
Count 9, guilty of official misconduct as charged. Count 10, guilty of official misconduct as charged.
That included misconduct in the arrests of Stephen Van and Teresa Odom. Out of the 12 drivers, 11 filed civil suits against Wester, and in July 2021, he got 12 and a half years in state prison. But was that really enough? Think about what all those people went through, and maybe even more we don't know about. If you found this as shocking as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more.